From smart cities to innovation capitals, the world is reimagining urban living. In India, that vision has a new address: Gurgaon International City, the largest integrated city of Gurgaon. A city built for scale, powered by its beating heart, presenting M3M Innovation Park, strategically positioned at the cusp of 4 expressways, seamlessly connected by road, rail, and air. From data centers to EV hubs, this is where India's next billion-dollar ideas will rise. More than a hub, it's a launch pad for the future. GIC, the next big destination for growth.